Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 7 useful Minecraft websites you should know about. The first one is MaximumFX.nl. This is a nether portal calculator. This website is a lifesaver for accurately linking your overworld and nether portals. Simply input your overworld coordinates and it will calculate the precise responding nether coordinates you need to build your portal. Number 2, plots.co.uk. This is a building plotting tool. It's ideal for planning complex shapes in Minecraft, especially circles. This tool allows you to plot out various 2D and 3D shapes like circles, spheres, ellipses, and even more intricate structures like wizard towers. For circles, you can input the width and depth, and it provides an exact block-by-block pattern, saving you from tedious manual counting and guesswork. Number 3, MinecraftCrafting.net. This is a crafting recipe guide. If you ever forget how to craft a specific item, and let's be honest, it happens, this site provides step-by-step instructions. Just search for an item and it'll display the required ingredients and their arrangement in the crafting grid, saving you time from constant Google searches and mod downloads. Number 4, Orange.io. This is similar to plots.co.uk, but it specializes in generating 3D voxel models. This generator allows you to create 3D spherical spheres layer by layer. You can visualize each layer, making it easy to build complex domes or spheres in your world by following the block placements for each level. It also supports other shapes like cones, which is useful for roofs. Number 5, OSCNet Forums. This is actually a blog post or a forum thread that archives step-by-step instructions for creating every letter of the alphabet using Minecraft banners. If you want to add personalized text or messages to your bases using banners, this resource provides the precise patterns and die combinations needed for each letter. Number 6, a block gradient generator. This helps create smooth and visually appealing block gradients. For builders who want to incorporate gradients into their designs, this site allows you to select the starting and ending block, and it will generate a sequence of blocks that create a seamless transition between the two. And finally, number 7, vanilla tweaks. It's used by many content creators and it allows you to select specific tweaks such as original AFK displays, classic fishing loot, multiplayer sleep, and even player drop heads. It then bundles your selections into a single downloadable zip file without having to manually install multiple mods. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!